Alright guys, we're back with another video. We were doing some scrap today. Got my daughter helping me. Gonna be loading up the aluminum that I have and going to another house, another contractor. He's got a trailer full of aluminum, so we're gonna be picking that up and running it to the scrapyard. It's the day after Christmas. You know, laid low for a couple days, but now it's time to get back to the grind, guys, and see what kind of money we can make today. I know aluminum prices are not that good, but I want to get rid of it before it all gets snowed on next week. But yeah, let's see what we got. A wise man once told me, once you know how to make money and work hard, you'll never be poor. Well, this is how I make my money. Alright guys, so I already started loading up these. These are loaded, these two cans are loaded up with all those heavy cast aluminum parts. This one's pretty heavy. I started throwing stuff on. I got my daughter helping me. She's home from school today, so I got her throwing out all the aluminum so I can throw it on the trailer. You want to say hi, Ella? No, she's miserable. But yeah, we're going to be loading this aluminum up and then going over to the other guy and picking that stuff up. And it's been slow the last couple days, so I really didn't get much. So I stripped these computer towers out. I managed to get those stripped out. And a lot of them were missing their memory and stuff, so I don't know. It looked like somebody had pillaged some parts they wanted. And then the big trailer, grabbed a couple little things the other day. Nothing major, a couple water heaters, tanks and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna be throwing all the aluminum on my little trailer here, and that other trailer is about the same size and it's half full. So we're gonna pile that all on top and hopefully make some money. I mean, I haven't made money in a couple days because, you know, the holidays and everything and family stuff. You know, my daughters were home from college and stuff, so. But yeah, we have quite a little bit here, and then there's more at the other place. So we'll have a decent load, maybe 500 pounds, 400 pounds of aluminum. I know these two garbage cans are pretty heavy. That one right there has got to at least be 150 pounds. That one's probably about 75, 80 pounds. So I think we should get a few hundred pounds. The other guy does nothing but gutters, so he's got probably 7-8 yards of just gutters. So we're going to be loading this stuff up, guys. We'll see what we do. Alright, so we're done. Me and my daughter got that loaded up. I mean, I was hoping there'd be a little bit more, but I know there's more at the other place, guys. Show you through the back gate here. That was everything we loaded up. So this trailer's 12 foot long by 6.5 wide. So if you put that in the back of a pickup truck with the stuff in those cans, it'd probably be maybe 3/4 of a pickup truck. It'd be over the rails on a pickup truck. But we're going to go pick up more gutters. We'll probably fill this rest to the top. There's a decent amount there. It's probably 300-400 pounds there, I'd say. I mean, gutters don't really weigh up, but yeah, everything's been good, guys. We've just been laying low a little bit. Workshop's coming out good. I was cleaning stuff the other day. Trying to get more air conditioners for you guys so I can have my buddy show you how to drain them and everything. But I'm trying to get you guys some better content and some different things. It's just this time of year it's slow, so it takes a little while, plus with the holidays and everything. But yeah, guys, I've been trying to do better, and I'm trying to just keep you guys in the loop of what's going on and everything. It's hard sometimes. But alright, let's go to the other place, see what we got. Alright guys, so we got this little trailer with some aluminum on it. It's not much. We're going to be loading it up, putting it on mine, then we'll head to the scrapyard. Alright, so we're done. It almost filled it all the way up. As you see, it's all gutters. But I was hoping it would be a little bit more. But we'll head to the scrapyard. We'll make some decent money, I guess. It looked like more when it was on the trailer when he sent me a picture, but We'll be headed to the scrapyard, guys. Make a little bit of money today. It'll be awesome. Alright, guys, we made it to the scrapyard. Looks like everybody had the same idea as me, being that they were closed for 2 days. We weigh 8,560 pounds. So it's not bad, but I also got a call. I got a bunch of other stuff to pick up today. One of the garages has stuff, and a refrigerator and a stove to pick up. So I'll be doing that after the fact. Alright, guys. We're done unloading. What were we, El? 8,000 something? 8,007? I thought it was 8,005. I don't remember, guys. But we weigh 76. So we had a decent amount of aluminum, guys. That little bit of stuff we had, it was not bad. Let's go get our ticket and get our monies. Alright, guys. I went and switched trucks, dropped the trailer off. Went to my buddy's garage. He gave me some good stuff. Look at all this heavy cast iron exhaust manifolds. Old Chevy crap. But he gave me 2 batteries, some rotors, 2 of these old heater cores. Those are nice. Some brass. Old brass copper heater cores. Those are nice. But yeah, lots of short steel. A little bit of tin. I'm happy. There's a lawnmower in here too. It's kind of roached out though. Big old piece of diamond plate aluminum. I might keep that. Might use that for something. And then I had that stove I had to pick up. The other guy with the washing machine or refrigerator didn't get back to me. But yeah, guys. This was what we picked up after dropping the aluminum off. But I'm going to show you what we got on the aluminum side. So, hold on. So, the aluminum was actually heavier than I thought. Which is a good thing. So, I'm going to show you now. So, we had 940 pounds of clean aluminum. 48 cents a pound. That was 450 bucks, guys. So, we made $450 off that aluminum, which is amazing. I mean, you really can't complain. 450 bucks on that aluminum was the stuff I had, you know, stacked up over here, and what my buddy Dan had. So that was just freaking awesome. So we're getting back into the scrap metal game. Things are starting to pay off and everything, but there's a lot of nice short steel in here. There's a couple more rotors I'll add to my pile. Here's my little rotor pile. Short steel starting to pile up here. I got that boiler for short steel. I got that can for short steel. This can's filling up with short steel. I'm holding on my short steel and everything, guys, until I think January when the price goes up. That's what I really want to do. I don't want to get rid of it again like I just did. I got like not much more than what tin was. So look at that deer right there. Just come walking right up. Come here, baby. I might have some french fries for you. You want some french fries? Want some french fries? But yeah, the deer don't care. They walk right up to you here. You can feed them out of your hand here. They don't care. But oh, there's a couple of starters. A couple of them big starters too, I just noticed. Yeah, so I got some good stuff too, along with some of the metal. So we're going to stack this stuff on here, guys. I just want to say, man, you know, next year, hopefully we have a good year. I know I have a house clean out coming. An apartment, a rental apartment. People have to leave, so I got to clean that out. And there's a couple other things that my wife's work they want me to do, metal-wise. Big dishwasher, one of those big commercial dishwashers. That has to come out. That's January 4th or something, so it's, what, 2 weeks? Week and a half, 2 weeks. So I got more stuff coming, guys. But, yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in the next video, man. This was just what happened quick. I wanted to put a video out, show you guys what's been going on, man. But I ordered heated grips for my four-wheeler, and I got new LED headlights, so I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, so if nobody good calls me, and I'll push it off to another day. I went and looked at a truck I have to pick up I'll have my buddy Johnny go grab it. It's a Ford Ranger. Pretty crappy. The kid's taking a bunch of parts off and he blew the motor in it. And then we'll be picking that up and sending that over. But I'll have just Johnny go pick it up and bring it over to his yard. And we'll crush it up and send it over. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video, man. Peace.